Hello. This is the beginning of Lab 8, Exercise 2. As you see here, I have filled my two styrofoam cups with soil. I screwed up one of my other styrofoam cups, so this is the best I got. Honestly, I can't complain. I've already mixed it. I've already poured the water in it. I'm about to take my, here it is, seashell here, and to mold it with the clay here, or the Play-Doh, as the assignment likes to call it. Grown man playing with Play-Doh. How do you feel about that? I grabbed a plastic baggie. I'm going to cut it up because one of my classmates said that she had trouble with the substances sticking to the not the substances, the shell sticking to the Play-Doh real bad, and she said that she couldn't get it off very well without some assistance. So I'm going to use that to help with the molding, and see how well that goes. If it doesn't work very well, then I'll just do it the old-fashioned way. I will be back once I have molded the clay. Okay, I had to redneck a little bit. The plastic wasn't working, so I used a slab of tin foil, and it's rough, but I can actually pull out the shell without it becoming one with the clay. So it's not perfect, but I think it's good enough. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing, plus or minus the shell, or whatever you want to call it, to the soil and to the sand. And I'll be with you as soon as that is done. Oh shoot, why even take that long? Do it now. Let me do it with the sand first. Sand's less likely to make a big to-do. And then there. I will, let's see. I will be back shortly after I plaster everything. Okay, I have mixed my plaster. I'm about to pour it into the different molds I made, and see what happens. I'm going to leave them overnight, like the directions suggested. Directions suggested. There we go. And clean up, and then finish the rest of the lab tomorrow. I'll see you then. Okay, I have returned. And, well, the soil didn't go too well. You know, just, okay. But other than the soil, the other two went off quite well. I've written my notes. General consensus I came to was, this was more mounded and didn't really hold the shape very well. The shell kind of did. Most of these creases were from the aluminum foil to prevent it from sticking and from the Play-Doh and, you know, not working. But it's very similar to its actual shape, and, well, the soil. As far as exercise 1 is concerned, I went through it already and kind of wrote down my answers. I'm not entirely sure how to really kind of vlog it personally. I mean, I feel like it's a fairly straightforward, you know, straightforward lab. I read what I needed to read to determine my results, and I correlated to them with the paper, and I kind of left it there. I will post this on YouTube under Lab 8 entirely, and and just kind of leave it there. All right, thank you for, you know, trying so hard. I also really appreciated the owl that you sent out earlier. That was very helpful. Talk to you later.